Right now, millions of American families believe something historic is about to happen. They believe a massive inheritance will change their financial future. Economists call it the largest wealth transition in modern history. But history tells a very different story. Because when civilizations talk about wealth transfer, what often follows is wealth concentration. And this is an opinion. It's a repeating historical pattern, one that has appeared for over 2,000 years. Today, we're not predicting a collapse. We're doing something far more important. We're studying history, from ancient Rome to Weimar Germany to the modern U.S. financial system. The same economic sequence appears again and again. And once you understand this pattern, you start recognizing it in real time. Historians and economists observe 4 recurring stages. Nation establishes a currency backed by something tangible, gold, silver, or hard assets. Trust grows. Trade expands. Living standards rise. Wars, social programs, and government spending increase. Instead of higher taxes, currency supply expands. At first, the change feels invisible. Purchasing power weakens. Savings lose value. Assets like land, commodities, and businesses retain strength. Monetary systems change. Those closest to assets preserve wealth. Those dependent on currency struggle. This pattern doesn't predict collapse. It explains who benefits and who doesn't. Rome's silver coin, the denarius, once held nearly pure silver. Over centuries, its silver content steadily declined to fund wars and expansion to by the 3rd century. Prices surged. Trade weakened. Savings lost value. Landowners and asset holders maintained power. Small savers suffered. Rome didn't fall overnight. But the middle class eroded long before the empire did. After World War I, Germany faced enormous financial pressure. Money printing accelerated rapidly. Currency value collapsed, savings were wiped out. Real assets preserved purchasing power 45344. The lesson wasn't chaos. It was monetary imbalance. In 1971, the U.S. ended dollar convertibility to gold. This marked the beginning of a fully fiat system. Since then, asset prices increased significantly. Purchasing power declined over decades. Wealth inequality widened gradually. Not suddenly, not dramatically, but systematically. Economists estimate trillions may change hands over the next few decades. But data shows most inherited wealth remains concentrated. History suggests wealth doesn't disappear. It repositions. The key variable isn't panic. It's positioning. History doesn't repeat because people fail. It repeats because systems behave predictably. This isn't financial advice. This is historical pattern recognition. And the real question isn't, will wealth transfer happen? It's, who understands the pattern before it completes?